Hey guys, it's Cindy here with Teacher's Brain. I just want to really quick show you one of my new products that I just have uploaded. It's the virtual awards ceremony, and I want to show you how it works. So what you do is you go in, as soon as you download it from TPT, it will push a copy into your Google Drive, and then over here on the side you can see directions, and you're going to pick from either the first slide or the second slide which one you want to use. Now if you use the first slide, you're going to see that it opens up and it has a cute little YouTube intro. And if you don't like that, you can just start from this one. So you would delete that if you don't want to use it. If you do want to use it, or you don't want to use it, just go ahead and delete it, and then you can start with this one. Now this one has music to it that I've already preset, and if you want to use it, great. If you don't want to use this slide, but you want to use the first slide, then you got to copy and paste it up here before you delete this second slide, okay? Next one, you're going to go through and you're going to change your welcome to whatever your name is. You're going to edit here. You just click the box and you text inside of it. You can make it bold if you want to and change the font and stuff like that. Okay, now look at your congratulations. I've got more than 37. I've got 37 of these slides that are pre-made, ready for you just to insert your kid's image and then text their name in here, text your signature. All you do is click and add whatever font you want, whatever color you want, and then add the picture that you want, and keep going to all 37. Anything that you don't want, you can delete. If there's something that you want to use for 2 or 3 kids, like maybe 2 or 3 kids are great at art, then you're just gonna right click and duplicate that slide and then get rid of it if you need to. Okay, and now if you go all the way down to the bottom, past the pre-made slides, you're gonna see 3 blank sides with the same colors, and all you're gonna do is add whatever title you want to give them for their award, add the image of the student there, or another image. Maybe if they want an art award, you would put a paintbrush in there, add their name, add the signature, and add the date right there. The next slide is this one. It says best picture moments. Add a picture of your class, or maybe a funny picture of somebody in your class, and you can also duplicate this and make extra copies to where it is easy for you to move and put in the middle of your slideshow, okay? So you can do several of those. It kind of breaks up the slideshow. You can make it humorous if you want to, or serious and sweet, whatever mood you're trying to get. I'm going to delete that one. Blink, if I can delete it. Okay, there we go. All right, and then the next one is a word from your teacher. So you could videotape yourself saying some great positive things to your students, put the video in there, or you could just have a picture of you with a nice quote or a nice poem or just some positive words you want to say. There's another one from your principal, and then you would go through here and you'd pick whatever you want for your ending slide. Now let me show you what this looks like when you're all done. I'm just going to go ahead and start from the beginning here. You click the beginning slide. When you're in Zoom or Google Meets, whatever you do with your students, you can do your virtual ceremony, send them an invite, tell them what time, wait for everybody to show up, push present, and you're just going to sit and you're going to wait for everybody to show up. And if this is the slide that you're going to use, push the YouTube link to start it. And then once that YouTube link finishes, you're going to have to push the start your slideshow right here. And once you start it, the music starts. Then your title goes on. And then each slide for your kid, it has everything in it. Now, if you notice, this one's moving a little bit quicker than what I would like to see it move. So there's only one way to fix that, and let me show you how to fix it. Let me exit out of there. And the only way that I know to fix it is to go to File, and you're going to go to the Publish to Web, and you're going to see this come up. Let's say you want 5 seconds for each slide. You click that, and then you've got a link here. Once you get the link, you start it, and now it's got a link, and then you're going to do the exact same thing. but this time it's going to be on a 5-second delay. All right, and you can add whatever you want in there. Push play, and then it's going to automatically play whatever slides you've got. So now it should be on a 5-second delay. And then you're going to see the, hopefully you're going to see the title come up in a second. Maybe I don't think I pushed play, sorry. Okay, after you do the red curtain, you have to push play. There we go, okay. So now it's starting, and you will have all the slides filled out with the kids' names and their cute little picture right there where it says insert the image. You just put it right on top of that, and you can see it's going slower now. All right, so I hope this helps you celebrate your students for all their accomplishments throughout the year. Let me push stop on this really quick. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. All right, and then we go back over here, hit X. All right, and I think that's all you need to know for your slideshow. And you can, of course, if you need to, you can just go to File and you can add a brand new slide and add whatever stuff you need to. Let's see, new slide. Go here and add new slide. So there, you could add your new slide and put a full picture of the whole class in there if you wanted to. Whatever you want to do. But if you decide that you are not going to use that music, you need to make sure that you add your own music, or you copy that link, copy this, and paste it in the first one. All right? So I hope you guys are having a great one, and I will talk to you later.